um, okay, it's yeah. Oh, I just wanna going back again, going inside because I am so cold. I feel cold today.